Welcome to the session on Introduction to Numpy. Numpy stands for Numeric Python, which is a Python package for the computation and processing of the multi-dimensional and single-dimensional array elements. Travis Oliphant created Numpy package in 2005 by injecting the features of the ancestor module numeric into another module numarray. It is an open source project and you can use it freely. It also has functions for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform and matrices. This is the logo of NumPy package. In Python, we have lists that serve the purpose of arrays, but they are slow to process. NumPy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50x faster than traditional Python list. The array object in NumPy is called as ND-array. It provides a lot of supporting functions that make working with n-dimensional array very easily. Arrays are frequently used in data science where speed and resources are very important. Why NumPy faster than list? NumPy arrays are stored at one continuous place in memory unlike list. So processes can access and manipulate them very efficiently. This behavior is called locality of reference in computer science. This is the main reason why NumPy is faster than list of Python. It is optimized to work with latest CPU architectures. Installation of NumPy. If we want to install Python and pip already installed on a system, then installation of NumPy is very easy. The syntax to install NumPy is you have to open a command prompt, then you need to type this command pip install NumPy. Then how to import NumPy? Once NumPy is installed, import it in your applications by adding the import keyword. Import NumPy as NP. NumPy is usually imported under the NPy alias. This NP is a user-defined name. You can use any name for this, but generally we are using this NP for a NumPy array. Advantages of NumPy. NumPy performs array-oriented computing. It efficiently implements the multidimensional arrays. It performs scientific computations. It is capable of performing Fourier transform and reshaping the array stored in multidimensional arrays. NumPy provides built-in functions for linear algebra and random number generation. What are the applications of NumPy? NumPy is an important library generally used for machine learning, data science, image and signal processing, scientific computing, and quantum computing. Thank you.